Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Robin, and today I'm here to do a hair review on this hair I'm wearing right now from Eyelash hair on Aliexpress. I always see the hype of people talking about this hair, and you guys know when I see some shit is hype, I'm gonna want to try it myself, and I did. This is their 613 hair. I have a 3 bundles and a frontal. I want to say, pretty sure that's what it was. 3 bundles in the frontal. It was 116-inch frontal, 116-inch bundle, 118-inch bundle, and a 20-inch bundle. And if I'm lying, I promise I will let you guys know in the info bar the corrected lengths. It's either a 20 or a 22, so I think it was a 16, 18, 20, and 22. There you go. 16-inch frontal, 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles from Aliexpress, Eyelash hair. I always see people talking about this hair, so I just want to try it myself as someone who's purchasing it with my own money. This hair was not sent to me. I know somebody commented on my last video and said that they wanted to know when hair was sent and when hair was not sent. I know for sometimes for some YouTubers that makes the difference, but for me, I always give my honest opinion whether I'm spending my own money on it or whether I'm being sent it for free. If the hair is trash, the hair is trash. So let's just get right into what I do not like about this hair. And if you guys hear something loud, that is my AC. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'm trying to change around where I film, and I'm in my living room right now, like my kitchen area, so I want to see if this is like a better area to film in. Hopefully that air condition is not too loud because I can hear it, so hopefully the camera doesn't pick it up too bad. But anyway, let's just get into this hair. This is what I have left over of the hair from what I made my wig from. The hair does come with transparent lace. The lace is very, very, very soft. What I did not like about this hair off rip, I'm going to tell you guys, it has very, very short pieces in the frontal. The frontal had very, very short like pieces, so like the pieces were this long. Excuse my nails, I broke 2 of them yesterday pulling a box upstairs, so I need to go to the nail salon. But yeah, the frontal comes with very, very short hairs in it, and I noticed it in the hair as well. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but you see that short piece right there hanging from, and this is a 16-inch, hanging from the 16-inch. The hair has a lot of these little short pieces in there, and those are called filler pieces. If you know about hair and you know the little scams and things that these companies do, is they put filler pieces in the hair to make the hair seem thick, and that's why sometimes when you get hair, it's very, very thick at the top and very, very thin at the bottom. Now what I will say about this hair, it's not thin at the bottom, but for me, if I'm paying good money for hair, don't jit me. I want all my pieces to be long. Do not jit me. Do not try to give me short pieces in my hair. As far as shedding, the hair does shed. It is processed hair. It's bleached, so to get this 613 color. So like I tell you guys in all my videos when I am doing hair reviews, your real hair sheds. My hair sheds. So why would I not expect my bundles to shed? I don't know the last time that I actually sealed wefts, so that's not something that I do anymore. I just don't have time. And between me making wigs for myself and making wigs for other people, sealing wefts is just going to take too long. But if that's something that you like to do or that you still do, you should just go ahead and do it, because it will help you with the shedding. I don't know anyone that still does or that has time for that, but I am making wigs for people. I add it to my service, so you can get, if you buy a wig from me, if you get a wig made by me, you can get your wefts sealed, but that's just not something that I do for myself. So let's just get on the hair. I watercolored this hair to this color. It was fall time, and I just really wanted something to give me that fall spirit, to pop it off. And I've been seeing this hair color and wanted to try it, and I've been seeing the watercolor technique used so much, and I wanted to try that as well. So I went ahead and watercolored this hair and made my wig. I made my wig first, and then I watercolored the hair. I did the roots at the top a little bit darker than I did the actual bottom of the hair. But yeah, other than that, that's all I can say for the hair right now. I have tried 613 hair from other companies, This hair is not the best, but it's not the worst. I've heard a lot of people on Aliexpress say how this hair is just so soft and it's like silk. It's not. This is not the softest 613 hair I've ever felt. If you ever tried a Russian straight hair, Russian Brazilian hair, it is super straight. 613 Brazilian Russian hair is very, very, very super straight and super soft. As you can see, this is a body wave texture, so I'm not going over. I'm also keeping that in mind because there was heat put into it to get it to be this wave. But like I said, I'm not disappointed in it. It is what it is. I would tell you guys to buy this hair if you want some cheaper 613 hair, but if you want something that's going to give you very, very, very good high quality for Aliexpress, I guess this is good. I'm going to be trying some more 613 hair from Aliexpress just so I can give you guys some more options. I saw some girls raving about this hair, just saying that this hair was just so soft and that it was the best 613 hair that I ever tried. If the filler pieces wasn't in it, I'd give it an A+. For those filler pieces, I'm gonna give it a B, because I feel like if I'm gonna buy hair, once again, I don't want no filler pieces in my hair. I want all the value that I'm getting for my money, and those filler pieces just take up space. That's all they do. And when you're actually making your wig, that's what causes flyaways. That's really what flyaways are, those little small filler pieces that they put in here to make it feel or seem like the hair is thick and then the hair is really not. But it has a very, very nice bounce. It's not anything cheap, but it's not the best quality. It's not very, very soft. You can feel that it's been through some processing, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that for me. When I did put the color over it, it made it softer, so that worked out just fine for me. Now, once again, this is a color. This is not any bleaching or anything like that, so I don't know what would happen to this hair if you put like a toner on it, some type of harsh chemical. I don't know, we would have to see. But I do like the fact that it's not that yellow blonde. I don't know how the camera is picking it up, but it's more of a white blonde in person. So a lot of companies will say that yellow blonde hair and then you have to tone it because it looks crazy. If you're somebody who just wanted to buy this hair and sew it into your head, it would not look bad at all. So yeah, I will give you guys an update on this hair when I wear it again. And I'll let you guys know how it is treating me. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, also, I've been having a lot of people tell me that they do not get the notifications of when I upload. Make sure you hit the notifications bell. That's really the only way you guys are going to know that I'm uploading again. I do have a video on how I colored this hair. I don't know if it will be up before this video or after this video, but if you hit the notifications button, you'll be able to see it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for everyone who has been subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all your love and all of your support, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.